In this part of the tutorial, we're going to learn about the suppliers list, how to create a new supplier, and how to bulk upload your suppliers' price lists into Astro. So to enter a suppliers list, just click on suppliers. Here you will see all of the suppliers that you've added into Astro. You can also give them categories and then sort by categories. Let's go ahead and create a new supplier. Add supplier, enter the supplier's name, and then if you wish, you can enter all their details if that's going to help you. You can also give them a category so you can find them easier later. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. We just created a demo list. I'm going to go ahead and enter it now. We can now enter ASINs one by one if we wish. Click on add ASIN and you can do a single item upload. You can add their ASIN, the product cost, and all the other information if you like. To do a bulk upload, simply click on bulk upload over here. And then you can drag and drop the file that you have into the empty space. Let's see an example of a price list. Here's a price list. Now it's very important the title row remains the same. By looking at the title row, we can identify each and every single column and add them to Astro appropriately. This one, for example, has a UPC column, which is very important because that's what we're going to use as the identifier to find the ASIN on Amazon. We also have a price. Those are the two main things that are needed to perform a bulk upload to Astro. But we're also going to use a few other things which are going to help us in the long run. For example, we're going to use the product title or the product name in this case, the SKU that the vendor has. We can also use the brand name from each and every SKU. Let's go ahead and upload this list. I'm just going to drag and drop it right in there. Now, because we're going to use the UPCs and not the ASINs to import the ASINs, we're going to click on UPC now. Now we have to tell Astro which column the UPC is located in. And in this scenario, the UPC is in the column with the title UPC. The price is also in the column called price. Now let's also enter an item number. The item number in this scenario is the SKU. I'm going to go ahead and click on item number. I'm going to pick SKU. Next, the description is the product name in this scenario. Now we can also add additional data points. So I'm actually going to add the brand name and also the case quantity. Now I'm just going to go ahead and click import. If the data upload is successful, you'll see a green message here and you'll see a notification at the top. Give it a couple minutes and all the data will import into Astro.